Wagwan Guys meets the wandering boy. The mischievous boy. In a small African village lived a boy named Taye, mischievous, curious, always wandering where he should not. One evening, as children played, he slipped into the dark forest, chasing adventure. The stone in the forest. There, hidden among roots and moss, he discovered a massive stone carved with spider patterns. Strange cracks glowed faintly across its surface. Ignoring the silence of the forest, Taye touched it. The spider awakens. The stone split apart, and from within crawled a giant glowing spider spirit. Taye froze in fear, but instead of striking, the spider bowed, its body shimmering with golden light. The gift of light. The spirit reached out and touched his forehead. In an instant, Taye's hands burst into radiant glow, casting beams of sunlight through the trees. For the first time, he held the power of light itself. The village amazed. When he returned to the village, the people were amazed. Children laughed and chased the beams he created, while elders called him a blessing of the spirits. Taye basked in their praise. The mischief returns. But mischief soon returned. He played with the power carelessly, scorching crops, blinding animals, filling the night with endless day. The villagers grew restless and weary, whispering that light had become a curse. The spider's warning. That night, the spider spirit appeared in a dream, its glowing eyes stern. Light without darkness will burn the world, it warned. But Taye, proud and stubborn, refused to listen. The sun's wrath. Suddenly, the sky tore open in fire. From above descended the blazing spirit of the sun itself, a being of unbearable heat and fury. The ground trembled as Taye shielded his eyes in terror. The trial of balance. A great battle began, beams of light clashing with burning flames. Taye struggled, weakened, until at last he fell to his knees. With humility, he lowered his hands and begged for balance. The true guardian. Darkness and light returned in harmony. When Taye rose, he was changed. No longer reckless, he lit torches gently, guiding his people wisely. In the shadows, the spider spirit watched proudly, knowing the boy had become a true guardian of light. Subscribe for more.